Hey there guys, welcome back to another video of all things Apple Plus. Well, we haven't had a update within the Chimera Jailbreak in a minute, but I actually, again, am a little bit late to the party, but I wanted to do just a quick video and a quick how-to on how to update your Chimera Jailbreak from the latest 1.0.6 to the 1.0.7. And then there have been some issues with 1.0.7, which I know is kind of weird as I'm stating how to upgrade to it, but I'm going to get into that in just a minute. But first, let's go ahead and delete our Chimera Jailbreak first, and then we're going to navigate over into Twitter, and I'm going to show you guys real quick that the 1.0.7 has been released, and that it has some minor bug fixes, and it's kind of like 1.0.6 for those that are currently jailbroken, but it's just any better updates that you can get, I'm all the more I welcome on my device. So let's navigate over into Tweakbox, because this is going to be the main way that we're going to navigate and get our Chimera Jailbreak 1.0.7. So let's go ahead and hit the install button. If you don't know how to get Tweakbox, go ahead and navigate over there via Safari, tweakboxapp.com, install their application, and then go ahead and download the Chimera Jailbreak from there. Now, from the Chimera Jailbreak, we can already see that we are currently jailbroken. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to reboot my device for a moment, and then we're going to reset the entire jailbreak and then re-jailbreak one more time. So let's go ahead and get out of here, because I have no idea why Find My iPhone or Find My Friends is there. Let's go ahead and get into our power application, and then we can go ahead and reboot from right here. So rebooting will go ahead and allow us again to just reinitiate the whole process of jailbreaking. This pretty much puts the device back into a normal state, a semi-normal state where the jailbreak is not recognized by my device, and then once we fully jailbreak again, then it should be completely recognized as a jailbreak. Now, the current thing with the with the 1.0.7 is that there isn't really much of a big difference. There's not much of a big jump again from 1.0.6. So just know that if you do decide to do this, if you're currently jailbroken with 1.0.6, you really don't need to update. This is just for those who just maybe want to update and maybe want to get the latest and greatest Chimera Jailbreak on the device. So let's go ahead and navigate over back into our Chimera Jailbreak. As you can see here, everything looks a little bit fatter. You can tell that the icons are different. You can tell that Celio doesn't open up as well too. So let's go ahead and navigate back over into our Chimera Jailbreak. We'll hit the jailbreak button, and we'll go ahead and initiate. Alright, and I'm expecting this version to not have any sort of bugs, or shouldn't have my device have to, I don't expect it to have to respring 100 times just for the jailbreak to work. I expect for the jailbreak to take right off the bat, so no sort of reboots. It looks like we're going to go into a respring at this point. Pretty long respring. There we go. Awesome. So we're back to our normal jailbroken state. So we're out of the normal mode. Now we're back into our jailbroken state mode. So as you can see here, everything is fine. Just a couple minor bug fixes and minor updates with the 1.0.7. Now, and then as you can see, Celio works as well too. Now, from what I wanted to talk about, one of the issues that people have been having as if you're somebody who's new to the jailbreak scene, and you're coming over and you're downloading this version of the Chimera Jailbreak, you may notice that this version may not install Celio right off the bat. And a tweet was posted by the Electra team saying that if you do have this issue, if you do have this problem, download the 1.0.6 version of the app and jailbreak that way, and just skip the 1.0.7 altogether. For whatever reason, there have been some people that have had issues where Celio is just not populating for them. That is your workaround, that is your fix, and the best way to do that is just by using City Impactor and using your computer and uploading that IPA into your device as well too. So I've done videos on that, so if you want to go ahead and check those out, I'll leave those videos in the description down below. But if you guys did like this video, if you guys like this quick tutorial, please go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, check out my other videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.
That means you're extra